Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to request money on Wise. If you don't already have the Wise app, you can go ahead and download it on your Google Play or your App Store, or you can go ahead and go to wise.com. Once that you are here, just go ahead and open the app and log into your account. And for us to go ahead and request money on Wise, there is this request button right here. So just go ahead and click on this. Now, this will allow us to go ahead and select who do we want the request to be from, or if you want to go ahead and create some form of link and get paid by anyone, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on this, get paid by anyone right there. Now you can go ahead and enter in the amount that you want. So say for example, $100. You also have the option to add a note to this if you want. Now once that you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click on create payment link. This will then allow you to go ahead and create the link itself. But if you want to go ahead and change the currency, there is that option. All you need to do is to press on the USD right here. And then you can go ahead and select the currency that you want. So say for example, I want to change this to euros. You can go ahead and do that. And then let's just go ahead and create a payment link. Now once that link has been created, you have the choice of either sharing this via this share icon, or you can go ahead and copy the link and then send it over to them, or you can go ahead and use the QR code. Do bear in mind as well that there is an expiry on the request itself, so this one will be in a month's time. Once that you're happy, just go ahead and click done, and there you are. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.